What's up, everybody? Nathanael Morton here with NathanaelMorton.com, where on this YouTube channel, we make videos on how to get bigger, stronger, faster, and more explosive. So if you are interested in any of those topics, definitely subscribe to the channel and click the bell so that you never miss a video. In today's video, I'm going to be answering two questions. Question number one, will using ankle weights help you increase your vertical and jump higher? And question number two, do I think that you should be using ankle weights? Here we go. Question number one, will using ankle weights help you jump higher? Yes. Yes, of course, using ankle weights will help you jump higher. And here's why. If you are doing plyometrics, you're doing your box jumps and your split leg lunge jumps and your depth jumps and your 180 jumps and your pogo jumps. If you are doing all of these plyometrics with your body weight, and then you go and you strap on 5 to 10 pound ankle weights for each ankle, 10 to 20 pounds of resistance in total. If you go ahead and you strap that on and you go and you do your plyometrics again, of course, that is going to increase your strength. That is going to increase your explosiveness, and that is going to increase your power. So yes, using ankle weights will help you increase your vertical and jump higher. Now, question number two, do I recommend that you use ankle weights? No, absolutely not. I do not recommend that you use ankle weights, and here's why. The way that human beings are anatomically designed, we are designed to run and to jump and to do all these cool things that humans do because our feet are very light. We are designed with very light feet. We are not built to have a 10-pound weight strapped to the end of our leg. It just puts our knee in a terrible position, and a position where we are likely to get injured. So here's what I recommend. Instead of using ankle weights, instead of using 10 to 20 pounds of ankle weights, what I recommend is that you use dumbbells. You can still hold a set of 10 to 20 pound dumbbells and do all of these same exercises, all of these plyometric exercises, your box jumps, your split leg lunge jumps, your depth jumps. Or you can also get a weight vest. Why not use a weight vest? Why not, instead of having 10 pounds strapped to the end of your leg, why not have it strapped to your core, to your center of gravity, right? So yes, ankle weights will help you jump higher, but no, I do not recommend that you use ankle weights, at least for jumping. They're good for other things, but not for jumping and plyometrics and to increase your vertical jump because of that likeliness of injury. So if you are interested in using dumbbells or you are interested in using a weight vest, I will link dumbbells and a weight vest down below in the description of this video. A weight vest that I actually recommend and dumbbells that I recommend that you use instead of ankle weights. So if you are interested in that, go down to the description, click the link, it'll take you to Amazon, order a weight vest, and then do the plyometrics. But please, please, please promise me in the comment section that you are not going to use ankle weights for running or jumping. All right, everybody, that does it for this video. If you are interested in a step-by-step vertical jump training program that will walk you through every set, every rep, every exercise that you need to increase your vertical jump and jump higher, I will link my program down below in the description for you. If you are interested in one-on-one personalized vertical jump online coaching, you can email me at nathanaelmortoncoaching@gmail.com. Like this video if you like it, share this if you think somebody else can get value from the content, subscribe to the channel and click the bell if you have not already. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, take action because action is everything. Knowledge is not power, it is only potential power until you take action on what you know. What people can do is a lot different than what they will do. So what are you willing to do to get what you want? I'll see you guys later.